Okay, so here I am in the Georgian countryside, and we are gonna be picking grapes and making wine the traditional Georgian way. I got my bucket, and I'm gonna be ready to do some grape picking. These are the wine cellars that were dug up. These are 150 years old. That one was damaged, and they're just rebuilding and doing them. So the wine goes in there, and it's kept underground.
You see this? This is the yeast, natural wild yeast that ferments later grapes. So, and they ordered to cut all the branches.
So I'm armed with my knife and my bucket. And you can see, here they are, ready to be picked. Here we go. This is the grape picking. Into the bucket it goes. These are all the grapes. We got buckets of them, so this will all turn into wine. Okay, so here's all the grapes that we picked today. It's about 70 kilos.
Are you hungry, guys?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we can, I think, slowly come closer.
Oh. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is the famous amber wine of Georgia.
And badekoni. Badekoni is a net of fat, kind of, and it's wrapped inside, and the fat goes inside and made softer. Please enjoy.
Winemaking 101. Easy. I picked that one.
Peter is cool.
Okay, so this is fresh squeezed grape juice. Doesn't get better than this. That's actually really good. There's a few things floating in it, but totally tasty.
One week old, fresh one. Give me a message. 2 weeks old.
This is 2 weeks old now. It's not the Saperavi, is it?
This is Saperavi.
Yeah,
and
Saperavi.
This is the wine which we tasted. Saperavi and Tauqueri blended one.
Yeah. Every 2 hours this gets mixed.
Day, night. First weeks. Then after 2 weeks, it gets more quiet. Cha-cha goes, this pressed grapes goes down, juice comes up. And after 3 weeks, we can take a fresh wine and start natural filtration, or if it is in the Qvevri, in the ground, we can cover it and don't touch 6 months. Later we can open and we will have a clean, naturally filtered amber wine.
That one's after 3 weeks,
This is
and
after-
that's already separated. The bottom, all the cha-cha grapes are on the bottom, and the top now is kind of the clear.
Yeah, you see the bubbles?
Yeah.
The small fermenting process goes on. That's why still we have kind of not hermetically closed, already separated.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's definitely separated.
Oh, so it's beef, but traditionally can be lamb as well. So this is
Beautiful.
This is our co-work. Potato not to be mixed. Here will be potatoes, here will be the lime.
You always make the barbecue meat here with vine leaves. It's the only way. I don't think I was expecting it to be this hot just from little branches.
Tsalamze on the branches of grape. Tsalami is this.
Salam.
Salami is group of these grape branches.
Salam.
Tsalamze shemtswarim tsawadi. Barbecue fried on the grape branches.
Perfect.
In Kakheti.
Onion and pomegranate?
Pomegranate juice.
With onion.
Just leave some amount because I need some onions for that as well.
Okay.
Old dishes.
Wow.
Super
Okay.
decoration.
So this is our Georgian feast.
Yeah. And the hot dishes comes later.
It's just the appetizers. Honestly, that's what he's saying. These are just the appetizers. Bravo! Okay, so that was Georgian winemaking day. Pretty incredible. The Georgian hospitality is, especially if you go to the countryside. So, I mean, the city's okay, I'm not gonna lie. The countryside is where real Georgia shines, and it was an absolutely incredible day. I'm here, and well, it's already dusk, and we've had a long day, but we did some incredible things today, and I am absolutely having the time of my life here in Georgia.